Welcome back to Locally Branding. This is again a branding session, more discussing of a marketing campaign. Every one of us are quite familiar with McDonald's and Burger King. Meanwhile, both are tough competitors in fast food chain. Mocking the competitors is quite common thing nowadays. McDonald's take advantage of mocking Burger King. Another side, Burger King takes counterpart of mocking down McDonald's. In this session, I am bringing you the Whopper Detour campaign from Burger King that burned down the McDonald's sales and customer base. Marketing campaigns are usually driven to push the product into the people. The main objective of it is to attract the people, make them to induce, finally convert them to customers. When coming to Whopper Detour campaign, the backdrop story is Burger King already revamping their stores and outlets to provide best user experience to customers in America. It doesn't had a significant growth and usage in the mobile app segment. The Burger King mobile app doesn't had a good amount of user base, so why it is losing the demographic behavior. Burger King team approached a reputed brand agency, explained its current problem to be resolved. The brand agency curated some ideas and gave some options to finalize. Then came the Whopper Detour as a final strategic option. At that time, McDonald's had double the outlets in number compared to Burger King. So considering this insight as a key to resolve the issue, Whopper Detour concept is designed. It is like user should visit the McDonald's store surroundings to get a Whopper burger at 1 cent of cost. The strategy is as simple as that. Convert the McDonald's stores in America which are double in number than Burger King to make them as Burger King stores virtually. This is like going to a nearby McDonald's outlet, earning a coupon through Burger King mobile app and changing the people's mind, diverting back to Burger King outlet to get the burger. They had a strong team effort of both Burger King employees and their in-house ad agency coupled with external marketing agency. Geolocation technology usage in the Burger King application, assisting McDonald's store finder and automated notification of earning 1 cent coupon after earning that coupon to bounce back the user to nearby Burger King store. Brief analysis of physical outlet insights and their location. After a consecutive months of hard work, plenty of brainstorming sessions, they finalized the Whopper Detour campaign. They explored the McDonald's stores, their surrounding streets, mapping the locations, choosing the advertising material and mainly the legal concerns. Customers must open Burger King mobile application and reach the surroundings of 600 feet in circumference to McDonald's outlet. Then user gets an auto-generated 1 cent burger coupon in the mobile. Once the user claims the offer and purchases a Whopper, Burger King app will redirect the users to nearest Burger King store to get the burger in hand. Only one marketing campaign killed McDonald's success rate and customer base. Burger King made 5 lakh app downloads with this campaign on those 8 days. This trick even made to go a reach of overall 1.5 million Burger King app downloads in America. Even it surpassed social networking apps like Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram and WhatsApp in app stores. It got 3.5 billion media attentions on the offer period and 5 lakh burger coupons redeemed. It is the most highly honored campaign at the 2019 Cannes Lion International Festival of Creativity. Awarded 3 Grand Prix awards for the marketing agency. Many appreciated this campaign as an act of pure genius. This campaign gone viral, given free publicity in all the media. Also got highest return on investment since 2015 for the Burger King. The campaign had given 37 times profit for 1 cent of investment. After this 8 days of campaign, they sold burgers for higher amount and reaped maximum benefit from single campaign. Offers are meant to unlock by people. There is a general psychology that people tend to attract for lucrative offers. It is a kind of viral marketing campaign. The offer providing burger for 1 cent is a promotional strategy. This is a kind of lucrative offer that attracted people like a magnet. The geofencing technology adopted by Burger King app is another great tool that redirected the people from McDonald's to Burger King. Best promotional activities done to reach the campaign to all areas of people. Above all these, there are months of hard work and brainstorming sessions by the Burger King team and the marketing agency to shape the campaign and drive it to the success road. So this is the power of one single marketing campaign that killed the McDonald's customers and sales. It indirectly mocked McDonald's business, turned the customers to Burger King, after that sold for higher prices. This marketing example is showing us the strategy that should be specific and designed to achieve the desired goal. Competitors can be mocked, should not be destroyed. Best usage of available technology and ideas. Attract people and increase sales. It should have long-term effect with a single concept. That's it for this session. Stay tuned for the next concept. Must like the video, share to your friends. Also please subscribe to our channel and encourage us.